Yo guys, this is Rony4197 here, back with another video. So, I just finished the new Tavern Brawl, and this is the pack. One legendary, and one epic, and one rare. So I just wanted to share this with you. We're gonna start with the epic. So we got a Sea Giant, which I already have, but I mean, 2 is never bad. So now I have a lot of good legendaries to get. I hope I won't get one that I already have, but like, what would be good? Like, Maligos would be awesome. Ysera, a lot of different stuff. So I just hope I won't get anything I already have. So let's do this. Alright. 3, 2, 1, let's go. I don't... Fuck this game!